Hi friends, we all wish to be fit and fine always. And if you are in fitness business, I'm in providing services like fitness, gym, a sports club or fitness product services and willing to make a wonderful website, this video is exactly for you. In this video, I have a great WordPress theme through which we can really create a very stunning website for fitness products, fitness services. So if you are willing to create, just stay with me until the end of this video. After watching this video, you will be able to create a perfect website for your fitness business. So this theme is Welldone, and Welldone is a theme for sports, fitness, nutrition, supplements store WordPress theme, of course. And the Welldone WordPress theme has been developed by the Axiom themes, and Axiom themes are power elite authors. They actually make wonderful WordPress themes, of course. This is a very responsive and stylish and bold sports WordPress theme, and it is designed for all kinds of modern athletes, sportsmen, services company, training agency, coaches, bureau, runners, sportsmen, and all healthy lifestyle people. So you have everything for your sports business or health business or fitness business with this theme. And this theme is compatible with Elementor and WooCommerce latest version. The theme came into existence in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So we are going to overview the complete features and functionality of this Welldone WordPress theme for fitness products and fitness services website. And after watching this complete video, you will be able to understand the feature, functionality, installation process and the basic customization process, and you can make your decision wisely. So let us proceed towards installation first of all to understand the theme features. I have this fresh installation of WordPress which is running the 2022 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress as on date, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have this licensing Axiom Welldone zip file. This is main theme file and the child theme file, and the documentation link is also here. So we are going to use this main theme file for our installation purpose. To proceed with the installation, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress, and I am assuming you have already taken a suitable domain name for your upcoming website, or you are already having a domain name, and you also got the wonderful hosting plan for your WordPress website. If not, you may please follow the link given in the description of this video, and you can choose a suitable hosting plan for your WordPress website along with the domain name and all that on a reasonable price, and that comes also with installation support. So you are going to get everything for your website. And I must tell you one thing, this Welldone WordPress theme has multiple pre-made website options. So there are many choices in terms of Elementor, so you can choose the Elementor homepage or WP Bakery homepage, and there are multiple pre-made websites, so you can choose any of these websites for your upcoming website project. You have wonderful choices. So to proceed, again we can come on this screen to install the theme first of all. So I shown you the theme file, and now I am proceeding towards installation. To install the theme, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress, and here by default 2022 WordPress theme is installed, and we are going to add new theme here, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose this axiom-welldone.zip file. So if you are having direct access on your servers either through the control panel or FTP, you can upload the file directly to your server and it will save some time. And I wish to show you the theme file size. The theme file size is just 32.85 MB. Okay, so it is bigger than the average theme pack file. Generally I have seen the 15 to 20 MB of file size in the theme pack, but yes, this theme might be bringing multiple contents with it, and this theme works very fine. So it is fast, of course, and I can show you the speed. So this is the demo website speed, and it is working very fast. So I believe and I'm assuming it will work on our website as well fastly. So let us see if it is really. So now I have uploaded the theme, and the progress bar turned green with 100%, and we can go back and extract the uploaded file. So this is the uploaded file, and we can extract it here, and the extraction outcome will bring this Axiom Welldone folder, in which we have components in folders and files. So we can simply see all the files here of the theme pack, and now simply delete this zip one. It is not required because we have already extracted it. Now coming back to the themes screen, we have this Axiom Welldone as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us see the details. This is Axiom Welldone version 1.9.12.1. so this is being the latest version with me as on date. So while you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description along with the hosting and all, so you might be getting an updated version of this theme depending upon availability. So the process of installation and the features will remain almost same. So this is Axiom themes and Axiom Welldone theme. The theme has been developed by the Axiom themes. Okay, so let us activate this theme, and upon activation we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features and functionality of this theme. So let us install plugins first, and these are 14 plugins that has been listed as recommended and required. Only one is required. In fact, rest plugins are recommended only, but of course we need to have the complete features at our website, and we can install all these plugins for getting the complete features and functionality. And I can see this theme, the plugin list has the WP Bakery page builder and the Elementor page builder as well, so we can choose any depending upon our choice. So as I shown you, there is a pre-made website that is made with Elementor. Rest are available in the WP Bakery Visual Composer. So if you are choosing this layout, I will show you. So this is the layout with Elementor, and rest are available in the WP Bakery. So depending upon your choice, you can install the plugins. First of all, we may go for installing all the plugins, and once we have decided everything and we are not using any particular plugin, we may disable and deactivate and delete those plugins that we are not using. So I always recommend to remove those plugins and the materials that you are not using at your WordPress website. It is very important from the security point of view as well. So now we are installing all the plugins. So because I have to show you all the features, and you may not to install any particular plugin if you are sure that you are not going to use that. But initially I will recommend to install all plugins. So I am installing all 14 plugins, and it can be done in a single click if your hosting is good. So again, I am telling you, you need a very suitable hosting plan for your WordPress website, and you can get a very suitable hosting plan through the WP themes. Just visit the website by following the link and get a hosting plan for you, and that is available with the installation support as well. So now the plugins are being installed, and yes, so all 14 plugins got installed successfully and also activated successfully without any error, without any trouble, within few seconds. So this is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using and providing you. So let us come back to the dashboard, because all the plugins has been successfully installed and we don't need to anything further regarding the plugins. So this is just a welcome page of Elementor. I'm just cutting it, and we are fine with all setup plugins. So I will show you the plugin installed plugin screen as well. Okay, so this is the screen that is showing all the installed plugins, and you can see everything is here, and some updates are also here, but we don't bother about that because it is coming from the plugin provider, I mean the theme provider itself. So we can go with as it is, so as it is available, and all plugins are here. And this is time, since we have installed the theme and all set of plugins, this is time to take a look of our website, how it looks. Okay, so this is the basic look of website that is using the Welldone WordPress theme, and of course it don't have any content, and we need to import the content to make a target website like any of these. So I mean we need to import the demo content at our installation for making a website like this. So we can target WooCommerce website, just in case if you are willing to create a WooCommerce website for fitness product, you can choose this theme as I said, and you can also have a simple fitness related services website using this theme. So it is all your choice. So I am going to create a website. Let us see, let us explore the demo import option, and after that I'll show you what additional tabs are here and what features are here available in this installation. So okay, so nothing is hidden in my video, so I am finding the import option in fact, and yes, so I got it. Under appearance tab there is an option called import demo data. I'm just exploring it. Okay, so it is a wonderful interface of importing the demo content. I have used this interface earlier as well, so it is very interactive. So only pages from the site sliders and whole demo site content. So this is being a fresh installation, and we can choose to have the whole demo site content. And after that also we have advanced setting. We can choose what exactly we want to import at our installation, but yes, of course this is the choice for a new installation. You can choose whole demo site content, and if you are willing to have only pages, forms and sliders, you can choose this option as well, but I'm choosing this whole demo site content, and I am simply proceeding with start import option. And okay, now a screen is going to tell us what is going behind the screen. And okay, so it is very fast and pretty good, and media files are being imported, so it may take time because it is going to connect the developer server, and it all depends on your internet speed and your hosting capacity as well. So you have to wait until you get any message on this screen. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. It is going to create a bug at your website, just in case if you are hitting the back button or whatever. So just show your patience on this screen. And media files also got imported. It is very simple, and it was really very fast. So on screen we can see there are only we spent only few seconds on this screen, and it is going very fast. So we can pause this video to shorten the length of the video. It is going on until it finishes. Okay, so thumbnails are taking time, and I believe it is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes. It is on 12% after 1.5 minutes, I assume. But yes, okay, so we can wait on this screen. Okay, so it took around 5 minutes for me, and the complete data is here, and I got this message. And now we can refresh this page to see what is here, and I believe website should be complete, and we got all the contents, and I'll check the contents. Okay, so it is here, and wonderful. So this is the complete website that we got in this demo import, and it is really awesome. So the images are marked as copyrighted. Of course we need to use our own images, but website is really complete in all respects. So I'll show you the inner pages as well, and the speed is also really awesome. So this is WP Bakery page builder website, and you can choose Elementor as well. As I said, And okay, so I'll show you one. Okay, so speed is really very good. So speed is main concern in everything. So this is a WooCommerce website, of course, and we can see the uh, speed and WooCommerce options are here. So all products are also here. So I'll show you what we got in this installation. First of all, let us see the pages, how many pages we have in this demo. So we have 24 pages in this demo import, and we got all the home pages that we need for our website. And as I said, Elementor home page is also here, so we can also take a look of Elementor page. Depending upon your choice, what you are using, either Elementor or WP Bakery, just deactivate any one plugin that you are not using, and you can simply go with your selected output, I mean layout, and start editing your content. So all is here, so you can choose any home page available. All home pages are here, and you can choose any as per your requirement and choices. And this is Elementor one, this is the WP Bakery one. So I believe WP Bakery is good one. Okay, anyways, so it depends on your choice, and I'll show you the rest of things like what we got additional in this installation. Comments are here, so this is of course WordPress things. So clients are new thing, I mean the additional tab that I can see, and we can manage the clients here, and it is just a simple screen, and we can use the existing one. Just you need to add your content here, and just don't forget to delete those items that you are not using. It is very important from SEO perspectives. And this is services again, so you have to manage the services from here, and already 27 services are here. Delete those ones that you are not using, and edit the content just to make it your own. So it is okay, so it is wonderful. And team is again new, so team can be managed from this screen, and I'll show you the rest of things. So rest of things are as common as in WordPress. Essential grid is also here, Instagram feed, cookie information, and you can use all these things for your setting up your website. And finally, I'm going to show you the theme options, that is the control panel of theme, that is important what it is bringing for us. Okay, so this is a very advanced theme option screen. So we have everything, and I'll just show you a glimpse what we have here. So this is customization option, body style, header, slider, sidebars, footer, and other. So you can choose the area, like you have many choices as header, and you can make some changes, like these options are here, and you can upload logo from this screen. Logo text, logo height can be decided here. And similarly, blog and style, so you have single page, stream page, and other parameters. So in the media you have some more settings. So this is simple but effective control panel. Social connects can be controlled from here, contact info, search, WooCommerce, and the services. Okay, so it is all wonderful, and we have all the controls for our website that we need, and we can simply go ahead. Okay, so just we need to up WooCommerce database update is also here, so it can be done simply. So coming back to the dashboard, we have done everything, and we created a wonderful website in this video, and I'm sure now you will be able to create a great and very suitable website for your health and fitness products or health services website. So you might be having certain questions regarding this theme and installation process, so I am readily available. So we are readily available for answering your question. Just don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can also get in touch with us for further communication through the WP Themes website. Okay, so let us proceed towards building a new website, and we are going to meet in another video in which I am going to bring another WordPress theme utility or resource for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.